Hi dear students, I am Srinivas sir from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. We are continuing the exercise 2.2, that is subtraction. So in this third main, fill in the gaps. I hope you open the textbook, fill in the gaps. Just they given the fill in gaps as they have done the subtraction, they have given the answer also. So what should be the number in the gaps? You have to write down. What should be the number in the gaps? You have to write down. Just we will see what is the number should be right. Okay, come from the right side. 7 and 1 here. So from 7, which number should be subtracted to get 1? Yes, it is 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5. I think you are understanding. Okay, they have given the gaps and they have given the answer also. In the answer also they have given the gaps. You have to fill them. Okay, here they have given 7 and 1 is the answer. So which number to be subtracted? 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. Here they have given 6. The answer is 4. So how much you have to subtract? Yes, it is 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, here they have given 4 and they have given 3 here. So which number should be here? To get 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So for that reason only I told you to add these two to get this number. 4 plus 3, 7. Here it is 6. So what you have to write? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Here it is 1. So here it is 9. Just you write down 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So we'll check the cross check the answer. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Once again you add this one. 7, 5, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. So this is how we have to do. Just you add these two to get this one. Subtract these two, get this one. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we will move to the B problem. Here they are given 3 and 8. Bigger number. So what you have to do? Take carry. Take carry. So this should be 13. 13 minus 8. 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. Here also bigger number is there. So if you write 9 also, it is not possible to get 16. Okay. So how much should be 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. Are you catching my point? Here already we have taken 1 and you have to subtract 8 and the answer is 6. So 1 plus 8 plus 6, that is the number here. Okay, we have taken the carry 1, 8 has to be subtracted and 6 is the answer. So total of this should be here, that is 14 plus 1, 15. So you have to write 5 because we have to take carry 1 here. Okay, this is 15. Next, here it is 11 because we are taking carry from here. So 11 minus 7, it is 4. 11 minus 7, it is 4. From now this is 10 because we have taken the carry from here. So this becomes 0. You take carry from 1 here. Okay, this becomes 10. 10 minus 3, it is 7. 10 minus 3, it is 7. Now this becomes 3. This becomes 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Up to here we will cross check. 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. 18, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12, carry 1. 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 11. So here carry 1 is there. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to here it is finished. So here it is 0, here it is 8. So it should be 2 because we have to take one carry here. One carry here. So 10 minus 2, 8. Now this becomes 7. This becomes 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So what we have done is correct. 7 minus 6, 1. Next, here it is 5, here it is 8. Okay. Same, 13. So you have to write 3 here. Because you are taking carry from 1 here. So 13, 13 minus 5, 8. Okay. Now this becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Once again I will explain. Here they have given 3 and 8. The answer should be, because 8 is greater than the 3, you have to take carry. So 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8, 5. Here it is 8 and the answer is 6. So here it should be the number. What we have taken one carry plus 8 plus 6. So total 15. So we have to write 5 because we are taking carry from this side. Okay. Now this becomes 11. This becomes 11 because we have taken one carry. 11 minus 7, 4. Okay. Next this becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7. They have given the 7 already. Okay. 10 minus 3, 7. This becomes 3 because we have taken the carry ones here. So 3 minus 1, 2. Next, this is 0 they have given. We have taken carry 1 here. 10 minus 2, 8. This becomes 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So once again, we have to take carry here because they have given 5 and 8. So greater number, smaller number should be there. 3. 13 minus 5, 8. This becomes 6. 6 minus 4, 2. If you have doubt, add these two, you will get this one. 5 plus 8, 13, carry 1. 8 plus 6, 14, plus 1, 15, carry 1. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12, carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Next we will continue the C1. So next we will continue the C1, that is here they have given 2 minus something, you will get 6 because this is smaller number, so this is bigger number, you have to take carry 1, so this becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. I hope you understand. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Here next the number minus 5 is equal to 2. So what the number should be? What you have taken the carry? Plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7 plus 1, 8. So the number should be 8. 8 here, this becomes 7. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, 7 minus 5, 2. Once again 7 minus 5, 2. Here the next smaller number, bigger number, so take carry 1. This becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Here also the next number should be carry plus 5 plus 2. The same way, that is the number 8. So 8, this becomes 7. 7 minus 5, 2. Once again 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Now you understand very well because I have already explained the two problems. The same way we are doing. So once again I am adding cross checking. 6 plus 6, 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 2, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Next come to this problem. Here bigger number, smaller number. So write down the direct subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Here smaller number, bigger number. So this should be more. Okay. What is the number? 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Here 4 and 9 is bigger number. So here the number should be, you have to take carry. You have to take carry 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9, because 9 plus 5, 14. So this becomes 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Once again, here it is 9. So what is the number? 9 plus 9? 18. 18 plus, yes, that's all, 18, because we are not taking any carry to here. So 18, so it should be 8. You have to take carry from this becomes 4, this becomes 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. If you have doubt, you check, cross check. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. This is how you have to fill the gaps. Okay. Next we will move to the next main, that is fourth main. So next, fourth main. The sum of two numbers is 78,94,267. If one number is 29,46,384, find the other number. Find the other number. So first you write down the bigger number. The sum of two numbers, they have given the answer. They have given the answer. So in the same way, how we have done, fill in the gaps. We will do this. Okay. So the number they have given is 29, 46, 384. The answer they have given is, the answer they have given is 78,94,267. So this is the answer they have given. The sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 78,94,267. In that one number is 29,46,384. Okay. Just in the way of filling the blanks we will do. Okay. Or otherwise another one thing is there. Just subtract this number by this number. You will get the answer. Okay. Subtract the smaller number by the bigger number. We will do in that method also. So 78, 94, 267. So we will get the next number. We will get the next number. The what is the number should be. Okay. Just subtract. 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. Next, this is 16. 16 minus 8, 8. This becomes 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Okay. This becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Okay. This becomes 8. 8 minus 4, 4. This becomes the same. 18. 18 minus 9, 9. This becomes 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So this is the number of the second number. This is the second number. How? Once again we will cross check. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the next second number? This is 49,47,883. This is the simple way you have to do. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number to get the other number. To get the other number they have given. The sum of two numbers is 78,94,267. So if one number is 29,46,384, find the other number. That means you have to subtract this smaller number from the bigger number. Then you will get the second number, which is to be subtracted from this number to get this answer. Okay. Next we will move to the fifth main. The difference of two numbers is 1,23,40,000. If the bigger number is 51,20,000, 87,450, then find the smaller number. 51 crore, 20 lakhs, 87,450, bigger number. Then find the smaller number. Okay. So same way, what you have to do is 51 crore, 20 lakhs, 87,450. Write down here. Below that you write down in the same places. Okay. Subtract. So 0, 5, 4, 7. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 0, 4, 7 minus 0, 7, 8 minus 4, 4. Okay, this becomes 10, 10 minus 3, 7. This becomes 11, 11 minus 2, 9. Okay, this becomes 10, 10 minus 1, 9. This becomes 4. So what is the answer? 49 crore 97 lakhs 47,450. What we have done is right or wrong, cross check. Just you add 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 7 plus 0, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand. We will move to the next. Here they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. From 4 to 10, I have done 4th one and 5th one. Okay, next I will do another 2 problems. Remaining are homework. Okay, remaining you have to do in the homework. I will send the classwork. In the classwork, I will do all the problems. Okay, you have to copy them. But now I will do another 2 problems for your sake. Okay. So now we will move to 6th and 7th main. 6th and 7th main. Which number is 10 lakh 29,000 less than 2 crore 50 lakh 3,000? So same way, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Write down 2 crore 50 lakhs 3,000. Subtract 10 lakhs 29,000. Okay. What we will get? The answer 0, 0, 0, 13 minus 9, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay. This also becomes 10. 10 minus 0. Sorry, here it is 9. Okay, 9 is enough because here it is 0. So 9. This becomes 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So 2 as it is. We will cross check it. 0, 0, 0, 14, 4 plus 9, 13, carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So here we have done, what we have done is wrong. So for that reason only we have to cross check. Once again I will do this. Okay. 10 minus 0, sorry 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. 13 minus 9, 4. Okay, here this is 9 only. This is 9 only. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. This is also 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Okay, here it is 4 minus 1, 3, 2 as it is. Now you cross check. 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 as it is. So now this is the right answer. Okay, while doing, why I have done mistake means, while doing the subtraction, you have to take care. So you have to cross check. Otherwise, what I have done is, you are thinking it is right. But when you cross check, you will get the correct answer. Once again, I will cross check. 0, 0, 0, 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5. So 2 as it is. So this is the number that is less than 2 crore 50 lakhs 3,000. Okay. Next, 7th one. Mr. Rahul deposited rupees 42 crore 78 lakhs 475 in his current account. Later on, he withdraw rupees 10 lakh 98,596. How much money was left in the bank in his current account? So, same. First, what is the amount deposited? Amount deposited is equal to rupees 42 crore 78 lakhs 475. That means this much amount he has deposited. What is the meaning of deposited? Keeping in the bank. Deposit means keeping in the bank. Next, withdraw For his some work or for paying or anything, he withdraw. Withdraw means taking the amount back. Withdraw means taking the amount back. How much? Rupees 10 crore 98 lakhs 596. So this much he is withdrawn. This much he is withdrawn. Okay. Now we will subtract. What is the remaining amount? Amount left. What is the amount left in the bank? So what you have to do? Subtract. Withdraw means subtraction, that's all. So 15 minus 6, 9. 15 minus 6 because here it is 5, here it is 6. Take carry. So this becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 9. These are all the very simple problems. For that reason only I am moving fast. Okay. 15 minus 6, 9. This becomes 6. So take carry from here. This becomes 3, 1. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. Here take carry from 1 here. So this becomes 13. This becomes 7. 13 minus 5, 8. 13 minus 5, 8. So this becomes 7 and 8. 17. 17 minus 8, 9. 17 minus 8, 9. So this becomes 6. Take carry from 1 here. 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. This becomes 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So this is the answer. But what you have to do? Cross check. What you have to do? Add these two to get this one. Just I will add 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 6. 6 plus 5, 14. Sorry, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is the answer. That is what the amount left in the bank is 31 crore 79 lakhs 879. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we will move to the exercise 2.3. Okay, remaining problems you have to do in the homework. If you have doubt, I will send them by the classwork. Okay. Next exercise 2.3, that is multiplication. Multiplication. You know very well how to multiply the numbers. Multiply the numbers. The numbers here they have given in the, remember, page number 25. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. So answer, what we get is the answer, that is product. What we call it as product. Okay. In multiplication, the result obtained is called the product, and the numbers multiplied are called factors. They are called by the other name factors also. Okay. And the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. You know very well this one. So next we will move to the multiplication, that is exercise 2.3, multiplication of digits. How here come? 3 digits by 3 digits, 3 digits by 4 digits, 4 digits by 3 digits, like that it will come. Okay, we will do. You know very well the multiplication, nothing to worry, it is very easy. We will now continue exercise 2.3. The first one, find the product of 1122 into 103. That is the A problem. B problem is 21121 into 211. This is the second problem. Okay. The third problem is 435 into 100. 435 into 100. We will do these problems. Okay. So the first one is 1122 into 103. We will do first. From which number you have to multiply? Yes, from 3 you have to multiply. You have to multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. I hope, no doubt. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Next, from 0, if you want, you multiply or you keep. Just for your sake, I am doing this one. Okay. First, you have to leave one place and you have to write down the zeros. Next, from 1. So here 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1 1s are. Okay, now what I have to do? Addition or subtraction? Yes, addition, because multiplication is the repeated addition, so it is making the easy that addition, making the addition easy. So add 6, 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 1. So here no cross check. If you want to cross check, you have to divide this number by this, you will get this one. Okay, no need, because it is very simple multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 0 as it is. From 1, you will get the same number. So adding 6, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 1. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we'll move to the next problem. Okay, multiply 21,121 by 211. Okay, 21,121 by 211. So we'll start. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, because from the 1 we are getting the same number. Next number is also 1, so write down the same number. Okay, no doubt. Next come to by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what will get the answer? 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 4, 4. So this is the answer. What I have done is just added 1. Okay, if it is more distance means I will write here. So 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 as it is. So what is the answer is 44,56,531. So this is the answer. Next come to here. 435 into 100. 435 into 100. So it is very easy how to do. Okay. So no need to multiply by zeros always. Just if the zeros comes in the first, what you have to do? Write down the zeros. Write down the zeros. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Write down these 2 zeros. Next multiply by 1. 1 5 is 5, 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4. That's all. This is 43,500. Okay, 43,500 they have given. That is the answer. Next problem is D1. It is also very simple. 9876 into 1000. 9,876 into 1000 they have given. In the same way, simple method. How you do? Write down these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Next multiply by 1. 1 6 is 6. 1 7 is 7. 1 8 is 8. 1 9 is 9. So this is the answer what you have got. Otherwise what you have to do is 9876 into 1000 means you have to multiply by zeros 3 times. 0 0 0 0 into 0 0 0 0. Don't do like this. If the zeros are given first, don't do like this. Okay, by 10, by 100, by 1000, by 10,000, by lakh. If you want to multiply, follow this the method. Okay, write down how many zeros are they have given. Okay, write down the how many zeros are they have given. Do very simple method. Okay, I think you understand. We'll move to the next. Another 2 problems are there. E and F. You have to do like this only. Okay. Next we'll move to the second main. Now second main, same multiplication. Here they are given to multiply the 4 digits, 3 digits and the 5 digits from the 3 digits. from the 3 digits. So we will do, first we have to multiply this by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20, carry 2. Observe, 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, don't write 20 as it is here, write down 0. If you have to get 20, you have to write down 0 and take carry 2 to the next number. 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 2, 30, carry 3. Okay, 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11. You have to write down the numbers below the other, one below the other properly. Then only you have to get the correct answer while adding. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay, for that reason, below 1, you have to write 4 properly. Below 5, write 0. Below 7, write 0. Below 2, write 1 and go to the next place. Okay, otherwise, don't write 11 like this. Because while multiplying you are getting another digit also. So it is good to follow the correct rules. Okay, now from 7. So this here you put the into 7 ones are 7. 7 fives are 35, carry 3 here. Okay, 7 sevens are 49 plus 3, 49, 50, 51, 52, carry 5. Okay, 7 twos are 14. Once again I will multiply. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, carry 3, 7 sevens are 49 plus 3, 52, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 5, 14 plus 5, 19. Okay, so you are getting confusion. So while multiplying, write down these carry in pencil. After that you rub them. Otherwise, which one carry you have to find, it is difficult. Okay, use the pencil to do the multiplication, it is better. Okay, once again I will multiply. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, carry 3, 7 sevens are 49 plus 3, 52, carry 5, 7 twos are 14 plus 5, 19. Now I will rub the carries once again. Now we will from 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. You know very well how to put these intos. Next, that means we are taking carry to the next digit. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15, carry 1. 3 sevens are 21 plus 1, 22, carry 2. 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. Now what you have to do? Add. Okay. 4, 7, 8, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 12, carry 1, 8 plus 9 plus 10. So this is the answer. That is 10,28,874. Okay. Next come to this one. 4 plus 7. 4 sevens are, 4 into 8. 4 sevens are 28, carry 2. 4 sevens are 28, carry 2. 4 eights are 32. Okay, 4 eights are 32, 33, 34, carry 3. 4 nines are 36, 37, 38, 39. So 3,948. Once again, we will rub this one. Now from 6. 6 sevens are 42, carry 4. 6 eights are 48. 48 plus 4, 52, carry 5. Okay. 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 5, 59. Okay. Next from 5. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3. 5 eights are 40 plus 3, 43, carry 4. 5 nines are 45 plus 4, 49. Okay, 49. 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, carry 1. 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, carry 1, 5. So this is the answer. Once again I will add 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5. Here what I have done is wrong. Okay. Add 6, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, carry 1. Okay, 16 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 3 16 carry 1. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15 carry 1, 4 plus 1 5. So this is the answer. Okay, once again you have to cross check in the home. Next come to the C1. That is from 124 you have to multiply 27,891. So 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. Carry 3. 4 nines are 36. Carry 3. 4 eights are 32, 33, 34, 35. Carry 3. 4 sevens are 28 plus 3. 28, 29, 30, 31. Carry 3. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Next, from 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Carry 1. 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17. Carry 1. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, here the answer will come here only. It won't get to the next place. So 55,782. Okay, from 1. Next, from 1, you get the same 1, 9, 8, 7, 2. Okay, by multiplying the 1, you are getting the same number. Okay, now we add 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Plus 1, 14. Carry 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So this is the answer. I hope you understand. Okay. Once again I will add 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So this is the answer. I hope you understand. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our channel. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.